In the spring of 2020, when schools switched to distance learning, the Adventure Connection program was tasked with operating emergency childcare site at Richardson Elementary to care for the children of our frontline workers. Tyler Grass played a significant role in the health and safety of our program that spring. He was always calm and confident as we asked questions about cleaning supplies and how to disinfect our toys and spaces, while also making sure that we kept our students and staff safe. If he didn't know an answer, he would search until he could find the info that we needed. Tyler was on site every day with a smile and positive attitude. He was caring with the kids, patient with the staff, and always willing to jump in and help. His calm and knowledgeable presence in the building was reassuring at a time when many were feeling uncertain and afraid. Tyler has continued to be a valuable resource to the Adventure Connection community as we moved into the school year and at a time when, again, there was so much uncertainty amongst both our staff and our students. Tyler easily adapted as procedures changed and questions continued. The leadership team at Adventure Connection is so thankful to have such a wonderful and strong partnership in the Richardson community. Thank you so much, Tyler.
It has taken a lot of time out of everything else we do, but right now this is our #1 priority, and just want to make sure the staff are feeling safe and the students are safe, and that's just what we do. That's what we're here for. I wish we could give high fives again and one-armed hugs, and that's one thing that we all miss. So yeah.